Okay, now let's look at a bolt hole or a ring tab. These are very common on the corners of the bumpers, but you'll find them in various places on bumpers. This is another one, quick and easy. Starting with cleaning, using a soap and water based product, no solvent. Now I'm going to use a tapered burr bit to remove the paint as well as a layer of plastic. I'm adding material, so I need to remove material. Going to tape up the front side, hold the damage together, dissipate the heat, and give me something to weld across. Going to use 15mm welding rod on this one. Use the airless welder to smooth it out. And then hit it with the hand seamer. Let's look at how we did. Welded up the back. I'm going to do a basic shaping. Final shape. Same test. That should definitely hold it on the car. And that's a one-sided weld. If you need more strength, weld both sides.